Welcome to the Green AP channel. In this video, you will learn how to launch a chatbot with GPT on Python on your own WhatsApp. First, make sure that you have Python version 3.8 or higher installed, you have a Green AP account and an authorized instance, as well as an OpenAI APK. More details in our documentation. To install, clone the repository from GitHub. The link is in the description, under the video, or in our documentation. Run the following command to install the necessary libraries. The bot can be launched on the server or locally. For local deployment, you must either enable debug mode or start a local server to transfer the necessary data. You can write a small local server to transmit data to your bot. An example of a server is in our documentation. Create a configuration file with the .env extension in the config folder. Add your instance identifier and instance token from your Green AP console, as well as your OpenAI key. Run the bot with the following command. Let's check the bot's operation. Write a message to the number that instance is authorized to. The bot will respond in the same language that the user writes. The bot is stopped by pressing the Ctrl+C key combination in the console. In this video, you learned how easy it is to launch a chatbot with GPT on Python on your own WhatsApp. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact our support service.